Ever stood at the checkout counter, travel plans crumbling, because your perfect travel card decided it didn't want to play ball in that particular country? Or maybe you're just starting to plan your next adventure and the sea of travel card options is making your head spin. Debit? Credit? Prepaid? Rewards? Fees? Fear not, fellow travelers, because today we're tackling a question that's plagued many a globetrotter. Is YouTrip a debit or credit card? We'll break down YouTrip, its features, and how it stacks up against the traditional options, so you can decide if it's the key to unlocking your next travel win. Hold on, but isn't YouTrip an app? You got that right. YouTrip is a mobile app that functions as a multi-currency e-wallet. Think of it as your own personal digital vault, where you can store up to 10 different currencies. But here's the kicker, YouTrip also offers a physical debit card linked to your e-wallet. This lets you tap, pay, withdraw cash from ATMs, and spend online, just like a regular debit card, but with some cool travel-friendly perks. So, YouTrip debit card, got it. But why not just use a regular debit card? That's where things get interesting. Traditional debit cards are fantastic for everyday purchases, but travel throws a few curveballs. Here's where YouTrip steps in. Foreign transaction fees, these pesky charges can eat away at your travel budget. Many debit cards slap you with a fee for using them overseas. YouTrip offers competitive exchange rates and minimizes these fees, letting you stretch your travel dollar further. Multiple currencies, juggling different currencies while traveling is a recipe for confusion and potentially overspending. YouTrip allows you to hold and easily switch between up to 10 currencies within the app. No more scrambling to find currency exchange booths with questionable rates. Real-time exchange rates, YouTrip displays live exchange rates, so you know exactly how much you're spending in your home currency. No nasty surprises on your bank statement after you get back. Travel-friendly features, YouTrip boasts features like fee-free ATM withdrawals, up to a certain limit, in many countries, international mobile payments like Apple Pay, and even travel insurance options. Okay, YouTrip sounds pretty sweet. But what's the catch? There's always a catch, right? YouTrip does have some fees, but they're generally transparent and lower than many traditional travel cards. Here's a quick breakdown. Top-up fees, there might be a small fee depending on the method you use to add money to your YouTrip account. For instance, topping up with a Visa credit card might incur a charge, while using a debit card might be free. Inactivity fee, if you don't use your YouTrip card for an extended period, you might be charged a small monthly fee. Currency exchange spread, YouTrip makes money by applying a small spread on currency exchange rates. It's usually minimal, but it's worth keeping in mind. YouTrip versus credit cards, the great travel card showdown. Credit cards can offer rewards programs and travel insurance, which can be tempting. However, they also come with the risk of overspending and potential interest charges. YouTrip, on the other hand, promotes responsible budgeting by letting you only spend what you preload. The verdict, is YouTrip right for you? YouTrip is a fantastic option for budget-conscious travelers who want to avoid hidden fees and manage their travel expenses efficiently. The convenience of multiple currencies, competitive exchange rates, and travel-friendly features make it a strong contender for your travel companion. However, if you're a frequent flyer who prioritizes rewards programs and travel insurance offered by credit cards, YouTrip might not be your perfect match. Ultimately, the best travel card depends on your individual needs and travel style. YouTrip offers a compelling alternative to traditional cards, providing a unique blend of convenience, affordability, and budgeting control for the savvy traveler. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.